Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I made a video that had nothing to do with metal detecting at all. Because it was such a nice day, sun was out, very pretty, what I needed to do was get into my beehives. Just check on them, and shortly into my video I told you guys how much fun it's going to be, the excitement involved, and I really care for my bees, I really do. And as you will see in the video following, to me it wasn't fun at all. It was rather sad. And you guys watch the video, you decide what you think. Please leave your comments, likes, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Today we are totally going to mix it up. It's going to be totally different from a metal detector, okay? This time of the year, and I got to do this today, the weather is just right. I got to de-winterize our beehives back here in the back. I thought to show you guys what's all involved, what I do. For all you who don't know, I have my bee suit on, okay? I'm not brave enough to go back there and that's with the bees. All depends. They can be very temperamental. They really can be very temperamental. But I have my smoker here, tools, and my lighter for a cardboard for my smoker. And I kind of show you what's going on, what's all involved. What I do every fall, I make all the hives. We have 4 back here, 2 at the house. I make a sugar cake to last them through the winter, and during winter I do feed them raw honey, and I'll show you what I'm talking about back there. So anyway, stick around. This will be a fun video. I promise it'll be a fun video, and we'll see what's all involved in it. Hopefully I can't get stung through this bee suit, but hopefully it will be fun. So please subscribe, comment, leave me your comments below, and what you think, if you'd like to see more videos like this. And I'll put my bee gloves on, and we'll be headed back. Okay, we're headed back. It's been a while since I've been back here. Right there the girls are. We have 4 hives. Uh-oh. I'll see activity here. Going in and out, which is a good sign, but glancing at the other 3 here, no activity at all, period. That's a bad sign. And it does happen once in a while. For some reason, each one of these hives are loaded with sugar cake, and it really hasn't been a very hard winter here in Missouri at all. But what I'm going to do is sit up right here on this active hive and let you see what's going on. Every fall, I put this black felt paper on, and I have these sitting, all my hives sitting toward the south, even at home, and they get that winter sunlight. But I always take this off, or it's gonna get too hot this summer. And I haven't had any problem yet with predators as far as raccoons, foxes, or skunks. Skunks love a beehive. They do. They love a beehive. The bees seem to be pretty calm today, which is good. I'll open up their entrance here too, where they can come out more freely. It's a bummer about my other hives. We're checking those in a minute. And what I do during the summer, well, during the winter, these are hives that we've already took the honey out of. And what I've been doing now, since it's warmed up quite a bit, is giving them water. I fill all these cells up with water. So they give something to drink. If I need to, I can make sugar water too. They're like that. Treat your bees right, you get honey. Yeah, that's a bummer. That really is. I'm not going to open that top up right now, and I'll let the bees. Don't want to make them mad. I will show you. Well, this is really strange. I have bees swarming around here, flying around here, but I don't think, I think they're gone. Let's see what happened to them. I'll be darned. This is that sugar cake that I told you I made. That's about 25 pounds of sugar, and it's heavy. Let's take it off, see what's going on. That's a bummer. Oh no. I see dead bees. Some anyway. Oh crap. Don't go anywhere, I'll be back. I went ahead and stripped all these beehives, these three here. And sad to say, I think, I believe, yep, they froze to death. It doesn't make sense because last fall, I mean, this thing was loaded with bees, of course. I don't get it. The honey I had on the hives, I always leave a couple frames with honey in it down in the brood box, brood chamber down here. I'm not going to take that off now. The most of the bees might be down there. You might find a queen down there, but man, I hate that. I hate that, I really do. Last year, of all the hives, we lost this is what you call a shallow box. See, you can see the honey. They have plenty to eat, and I'll show you where they have been eating. Look at this frame. More honey. But this is the what I do with it. So here's the sugar cake that I tell you that I make. And as you can see, the bees have ate quite a bit off of that. And it's going to take too much time getting them down in the bottom of the brood box on these. if you enjoyed the video, if you want to see more, just let me know. Just leave me a reply, and I can. I gotta do it anyway, but not today. And this is the sugar cake. They came out of this hive, and as you can see, they didn't do a whole lot to it at all. Period. On the back side, man, I hate that. I really do. Check out another frame here. Look at all the honey on that frame. All that honey. And why did they go? Check the next frame out. My gosh. You know, this is loaded with honey. This is full. Almost full. Anyway. So that one down there. But, crap. And here's this last one. I'll be darned. I tell you what's really hard on the beehive. You really got to maintain and take care of them. I mean, it is a job. You got to be concerned with the varroa mites, moths. Well, they will absolutely, especially a moth. It will totally destroy a hive, lay their larvae. But bummer. Man, I hate to see that. I really do. Got one hive here. One hive out of 4. But I'm going to go ahead and dress these back up, put the tops back on them, and the sugar cake back on them, and I'll be back. Anyway, that is a bummer for me. It really is. Lost 3 hives back here. 3 hives. It's sad. But we're going to possibly, from this one strong hive, we'll get the queen cell from her later on, next couple weeks actually, and hopefully by her laying her eggs, there'll be new bees processed every day. Make it strong enough to where we can take a couple frames full of bees, take a queen cell that she's gonna make, put another hive back there in the back. I hope you do enjoy this type of video about the bees. It's a fun hobby for me also, is being a beekeeper. So anyway, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and please leave comments down below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by.